All right, now I'm going to show you how to add 213 plus 436 using base 10 blocks instead of using the partial sum method that I showed you earlier. So what we're going to do is we're going to build 213, 200, 110, and 3 ones. To 213, we're going to add 4 more hundreds, 100, 200, 300, 400, and then we're going to add 3 more tens, 1, 2, 3 tens, and we're going to add 6 more ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add them all up. Okay, after we put all the base 10 blocks together, we now have 6 hundredths plus 40 plus 9 equals. What do you think 600 plus 40 plus 9 is equals to? Okay, let's see if it's right. 649. There you go.